What is the correct transformation of "the students will join the class tomorrow according to the provided language rules"? Let's take our phrase and, going through the rules one by one, make any necessary changes. We begin with our phrase, "the students will join the class tomorrow." In accordance with rule number 1, the subject and noun are marked by an E sound at the beginning of the word. Therefore, we mark the subject, students, and the noun, class, with an E at the beginning. Next, we see from rule number 2 that we don't include articles in the sentence, so we can erase the two thes. We're left with E students will join E class tomorrow. Our next rule relates to tense, simple versus progressive verbs. Our verb in this sentence, will join, is simple. It's merely a future tense marker, will, plus the base form of the verb, join, and doesn't describe an ongoing action. This being the case, we can add an "oli" to the end of our verb, giving us E students will join-oli E class tomorrow. Finally, we see rules relating to tense. Will in our sentence acts as a future tense marker, but because this language has its own future tense marker, we can erase will and use nori instead. Because the rules don't tell us where to include this future marker, let's simply put it at the beginning of the sentence and see where our options place it. We are left with our final sentence, nori E students join-oli E class tomorrow. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. Choice A, E students join-oli E class nori day, goes along with all the rules we've applied to our sentence. Instead of placing nori at the beginning of the sentence, it combines this future tense marker with day, in essence giving us future day, or tomorrow. As everything in this sentence is grammatically correct according to the given rules, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the other choices just to be sure. B, nori E students join-oli E class gore day. This choice mixes two tenses. It introduces the sentence with nori, a future tense marker, but then combines day with gore, a past tense marker. This can be marked as incorrect. C, students join-oli nori E class tomorrow. This choice doesn't mark students with the proper E noun marker, and can be marked as incorrect. And D, E students ku join nori E class tomorrow. This choice incorrectly marks join with ku, a progressive verb marker, instead of oli, a simple verb marker. This can be marked as incorrect, and we can mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.